Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing my first ever lift tour at around Dover Court. This is block 1. I've already filmed the lifts except for lift C in this block. So let's start with block 1, the first block. See you when the lift comes. Here's the lift. Let's go down to 1. This is a different fixture. I think it's the older fixture. Okay, this block has three Mitsubishi GPS third generation lifts, and the all stock lifts are all this capacity, while the limited stock one at the staircase is smaller. Okay, let's go to our next block. Now we are at block 2 Dover Court, right beside block 1. Oh, rejected me. Let's start with lift B and we'll go on to the staircase lift. Oh, this lift had their flooring redone. 12. You guys can skip to later in the video if you don't want to just see Mitsubishi GPS third generation lifts, because blocks 1 to 5 are gonna have the same lifts. Let's send this down to 1. Ring ring ring. Left right lift. I think this is lift A. Let's right lift A now. See you when the lift comes. Here's the lift. Let's go to 1. Yeah, 680. Has a smaller capacity than the main bank lifts that serve all floors. Surprisingly, these staircase lifts at blocks 1 to 5 are cleaner than the main bank lifts. And they are pretty fast, speedy too, for 12 floors. Okay, let's move on to the next block. Okay guys, I'll be going through blocks at a numerical order. So here is block 2A, multi-story car park. And that's block 1, we filmed it earlier. Here is a nice car park lift. It's a IFE lift. I think it's a home elevator because it's a little bit small. I love the feel on the buttons. A little bit brokenish chime. A little bit of a slam. Let's go up to 5.
Going up.
The announcement. Here we are at 5.
Story 5.
The classic IFE clink. The lift EIP. Here's the rooftop. Oh crap, why is it going down? Yeah, I think this is a MRL. Oh no, it's not. I think this was probably installed in the early 2010s. While the Mitsubishi lifts in the whole estate were probably 2004-2005. See you when the lift comes. Here comes the elevator. Double chime. One.
Going down.
Very strong doors actually. I don't know why they didn't put a capital A. Yeah, just your standard IFE you usually see in your blocks. Oh, it also has intelligent leveling. Sun is up to 5. Let's watch it do the loud closing. Don't know why it does that. Okay, next block. Okay, I've actually filmed block 3 a couple of times now, but I'm just gonna film it anyway. Skip to a later part of the video if you don't want to see any more Mitsubishi lifts. Here's the lifts. Very dark there. Very soft chime. Oh my gosh, upside down button. Yeah, this block is very dark. Here we are at 12, you can hear the motor buzzing. And it's down to 1. And now we're going to write lift A. It's very dark. See when the lift comes. Yeah, this one actually has announcements. Yeah, like I said, these staircase lifts are cleaner than the main ones. Let's go down to 1. Let's actually have a cab overview.
Going 1.
Here at 1. The alarm doesn't work.
Going up.
Dang! Oh, it works, but you have to hold it for longer. Send this up to 11. Let's go to the next block now. Okay guys, here I am at block 4. From here on the design changes. As you can see, no space for a staircase lift. And also this indicator is faulty. It's showing 1, even though it's not even at 1. Yeah, very faulty. I don't even know where's the lift. See you when the lift comes though. Here comes the lift. Okay, let's go to 14. Oh, these blocks actually have 14 instead of 12. So I suppose 1 to 3 are the older ones. Yeah, the indicator is messed up, man. Okay, they replaced this thing with metallic color, but this is purple, and they redid the floor also. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. All the blocks are pretty different once it gets to the later numbers. Yeah, it's totally number 1, right? Yeah, let me check. Oh, it's actually 14. Send this down to 1. There's another lobby over there. Number 1 is going down. This stupid thing. So there are actually a lobby of 2 elevators. Lobby of 2 lifts. Oh, I think this one's messed up also. Bruh. And here comes the lift. This button is very stiff. Okay. We did the floor also. 1. Yeah, it's a smaller capacity one because this replaced old Fuji lift. And the height was also pretty small, pretty short. Here we are, 1. Yeah, very soft bell. Okay, on to the next block. Actually, I think there used to be a leaf here. Yeah, on to the next block. See you guys. Okay, we are at block 5, which is the last block that features Mitsubishi GPS 3rd generation leaves. This also was the old lobby. Here comes leaf B. Let's go up to 14. Okay, what the hell? I feel like the ceiling's gonna fall on me. Hopefully it doesn't, because it's gonna break my skull. Very soft, are you? Send this down to 1. Oh, this actually doesn't go to the other lobby. Frick you. Okay, for some very weird reason, leaf C only serves the other side. So anyway, now that I'm here, I'm not going to film it. So I'm just going to film lift A. Okay, this stupid thing arrived first, but it doesn't, only lift B is going to serve me. Okay, so guys, on to the next vlog already. I don't want to film any more of these lifts. Okay, I do not understand what's going on. Okay guys, I cannot find a block 6, so I'm just gonna go straight to 28A. Here's the first lift. It's the low-rise lift. It's a 2009 Fujitec lift. Slow doors. So we're gonna run this up to 21 and then back down with the high rise. These ones are pretty boring because they don't go that fast. Shaky. Here we are. Set this down to 1. Perfect. There's one leaf here that can. Oh, it's 32, not 22. It's coming down. The arrow on this one is very slow. They should put up and down, man. These are the low-rise leaves. Here's the high-rise lift. Let's go up to 40. You slow ass. Oh my gosh, these stupid slow doors. Yeah, fast speed. Okay, very shaky. It's very fast. Here we are at 40. Let's send this down to 1. I'm going to be waiting here for a very long time. Okay, so this one skips floors, but this one has all the floors, so I don't know what's... Okay, I don't think this one has its indicators replaced, interior indicators, we'll see. Because this indicator looks very unnatural. Yeah, that's the real Fujitec indicator. 1. Let's go down. It's not as slow as the other leaf doors. fast. Not as shaky as the other one. The other one's in worse condition. Okay, yeah, it's doing the skipping. And here we are, what? On to the next block, guys. Okay, I'm actually gonna go to this multi-story car park. Oh, it's actually a food center. Oh wow, I did not know that. Okay, so this little complex actually has Mitsubishi leaves. Again. Block 28. Okay. This is, I think, installed in 2005 or so. Let's go to 10. Very nice. Pretty fast. Because it's 10 floors. Here we are at the 10th floor. The roof garden. Let's go check it out. Okay, wow. This is very wow. Oh wow. It's a roof garden full of garden stuff. 2 blocks over there that I'm gonna film later. I don't think I'm gonna film 28B or 28A because they're the same leaves and they're super busy. Okay. Let's go down. On the first floor they have separate panels, but here it's one centralized panel. Deck 10, very high multi-story car park. Actually, because yes, over 40 floors on the other buildings. But let's go check out the car park area. Never mind, I'm too lazy. Whoa, sensors are nice. Whoa! 1. It's just the very standard silver Mitsubishi lift. This model is usually used in the high-rise buildings. I don't know, maybe it's a next way. Yeah, I think it's a next way. Okay. On to the next block. We are going to block 27. Okay, I think it's going to be a mid-2000s Fujitec Exodyne. Yeah, let's see if I'm right. Yes, correct. I knew it. They will always use this kind of leaves. Okay, one has its indicator original, one doesn't have its indicator original. I think this is 25 stories. Okay, it just quit. Here comes the lift. Up to 25. Very jumpy. Oh, this is the same design as the Block 20 cluster in Dover. Okay, yeah, this feels like a freaking train. Nah, this ain't dead rails, man. But you hear the train sound? It's a freaking train. I didn't know Fujitec makes trains too. This is train, man. 25. The train lift. This lift. Oh. Oi, don't close, man. I want to experience the train lift again. This is not a train, man. Oh, someone.
Bye. Next Tuesday I'm off. In a CT scan.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this long elevator tour, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching this video if you watched it until the end. Bye. Also say bye to the train lift.